Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll bust some myths that are commonly associated with plant maintenance. We'll discuss why change can be a good thing, why more people doesn't always mean less problems, and why cutting maintenance costs might not be the best solution. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of addressing the root causes of issues and ensuring that your maintenance team has the resources they need to do their job effectively. Let's dive into some common misconceptions about plant maintenance. You know those rumors that sometimes float around about industrial maintenance? While some are harmless, others can actually hinder the ability of a maintenance team and a facility to maintain its assets. It's not easy to break these ingrained ideas of how maintenance should and can work, but any organization seeking to improve its maintenance efforts should invest some time in doing so. After all, it's your employees who execute the maintenance plan, so their buy-in is key. One of the biggest myths we often encounter is the fear of change. This myth is not unique to maintenance. It's pretty much everywhere in every organization. The belief that people hate change, they don't want to change, and it would be better if everything stayed the same forever. Now, while it's true that some people are afraid of the difficulty of navigating new changes, it's not impossible to overcome this fear. But there's another side to this. People don't want things to be changed without their understanding and their feedback. Consider those times when a workplace changes a rule without consulting employees, leaving them disgruntled or afraid. The change itself isn't generally the problem here. Employees want to feel as though they are a part of the process. Another common misconception is the idea that more people equals less problems. Some maintenance managers might believe that throwing bodies at problems will help. Some companies even go through massive hiring binges where more and more maintenance staff are hired. But here's the thing, more people on maintenance staff doesn't necessarily reduce problems. In fact, it can create another kind of problem in terms of ineffective resource use. Rather than just adding people, it's necessary for these situations to figure out the root causes of problems, evaluate schedule compliance, and understand the lengths to which technicians are performing repairs and inspections. And then there's the misconception that we must lower maintenance costs as soon as possible. As good as it might look to have low maintenance costs, this doesn't necessarily translate to more effective maintenance, especially depending on where the cuts are coming from. For example, if a plant decides to cut their maintenance budget to reduce costs, this looks good on paper financially, but in reality deprives the maintenance team of vital resources, man-hours, and materials. So, the next time you hear these misconceptions floating around, remember that change can be good. More people doesn't always mean less problems, and cutting maintenance costs isn't always the best solution. It's about understanding the process, addressing the root causes of problems, and ensuring that your maintenance team has the resources they need to do their job effectively. Thank you for watching this video. We've debunked some common myths about plant maintenance, highlighted the importance of understanding the process, addressing root causes, and ensuring your team has the resources they need. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our products and services, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.